The roll forming machine adopts automatic control and cut to length. The product length can be any size.
Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation.
The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life.
Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. The frame panel thickness is 20, which is more stable.
Come to visit the factory, and we will explain to you in detail how to install and use the machine.
Can be set using remote control or PLC touchscreen. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. With automated controls and a max speed of 515 min. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within 1 m. Commitment, delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.